Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, someone who values precision in woodworking without wanting to invest in an entirely new power tool system, then today's review is going to speak directly to you. I've been putting the Milescraft 1409 track saw guide to the test in real-world projects, and it's time to share the full story. This isn't just another accessory. It's a full-fledged track system that transforms your existing circular saw into a precision cutting station. At $103, it's an affordable entry point, but does it deliver where it counts? Over the coming minutes, I'll walk you through the setup, performance, strengths, and some honest limitations I've encountered. We'll dive into accuracy, compatibility, build quality, and how it handles everything from sheet goods to live-edge timber. Whether you're a serious DIYer or a pro looking for a portable solution, this could be a game changer. Let's get into it. When I first started thinking about adding a track saw system to my workshop, the price tag on full-bore options gave me serious pause. Between the saw, track, and accessories, we're talking $300 to $500 easy. As a DIYer working on home remodels and occasional cabinetry, that kind of investment felt hard to justify. Then I came across the Milescraft 1409 track saw guide, and honestly, it felt like the perfect middle ground. You get a 50-inch aluminum track system designed for any 7¼ inch circular saw, solid build quality, and the precision of a track saw without having to replace your existing tool. I already had a Cobalt XDR7 and a quarter saw lying around with solid 8Ah batteries, so I dedicated it to this setup. After mounting it to the Milescraft guide, the transformation was immediate. My cuts went from close enough to dead-on square and straight every single time. It was like upgrading my entire saw without spending a dime on a new motor. One of the things I appreciate most is how quickly this system gets up and running. Unboxing it, everything felt well protected, no dings, no scratches, and the track sections were separated by foam inserts, which told me this was designed to survive shipping and setup. Assembly took me less than 30 minutes. I followed the included instructions, adjusted the sled base to fit my saw snugly, and within half an hour I was making my first cut. The glide is buttery smooth, especially on longer rips, and the track locks into place securely. I've used mine on both plywood sheet goods and live-edge slabs from my sawmill, and it handles both with confidence. It's been a game changer when I need to break down a 4x8 sheet in tight spaces where my table saw just won't fit. Plus, the ability to link additional rails means I can extend the cutting range whenever needed, making this surprisingly versatile despite not being a full track saw system. Now let's talk about accuracy and consistency. This is where the Milescraft 1409 really shines. Whether I'm trimming a door to fit or squaring up rough-sawn lumber, I can count on getting repeatable, square cuts. There's no guesswork about blade offset or measuring from the edge of the shoe. The system guides the saw perfectly along the track, and the aluminum construction feels rigid and stable under load. I've even swapped it over from my Cobalt to a Metabo HPD36V saw when I needed more torque for dense hardwoods, and to my surprise, it mounted up without any issues. The zero clearance strip stayed intact, and the alignment was spot on after a quick adjustment. The added power made longer cuts significantly easier, and the guide didn't flex or waver. That kind of adaptability is huge for someone who might own multiple saws or wants to maximize what they already have. Of course, it's not without its quirks. The clamping system, while functional, has some limitations. I've found that on thicker or uneven materials, getting the track to clamp down perfectly flat can be tricky. A couple of times the saw felt a bit loose during the initial feed, and I had to retighten the base. Also, while the track connectors do a decent job joining sections, I've noticed minor misalignment on one occasion where the seam between rails created a slight deviation. It wasn't enough to ruin the cut, but it was noticeable. Another thing to be aware of is the lack of plunge cut capability built into the system. That said, with the right saw, like my DeWalt where I can access the depth lock, I've managed to fake a controlled plunge by locking the depth and starting free before engaging the track. It's not elegant, but it works in a pinch. If you're doing a lot of in-panel cuts, you might find this limiting. From a build perspective, the unit feels like a mix bag. On one hand, the aluminum rail and precision machine connectors are impressive for the price. The sled base has a solid metal construction, and the included clamps are robust. But I can see how some might describe parts as fragile, especially the plastic components in the track connectors or the tension knobs on the sled. I've been careful not to over-tighten them, and so far, no issues. Still, if you're rough on your tools, you might want to handle this with a bit more finesse than your average circular saw setup. That said, for careful DIYers or even pros doing precision work without the heavy-duty daily use, it's more than up to the task. Overall, this guide has earned a permanent spot in my toolbox. It saved me hours on projects where straight, repeatable cuts matter most. I've used it for everything from building bookshelves to redoing my kitchen island, and each time, it's performed flawlessly. I even picked up the Milescraft Track Square, which makes squaring up a breeze, and a set of wall mounts from an Etsy seller, hunting builds, that make storing the track clamps and square super tidy. For just over $100, this system delivers performance that feels like it should cost twice as much. If you need precision without breaking the bank, and you already own a solid 7.1/4-inch circular saw, the Milescraft 1409 is easily one of the smartest tool upgrades you can make. If your workshop's missing that precision edge, the Milescraft 1409 might be the upgrade you never knew you needed. Don't let rough cuts hold your projects back. Smooth out your workflow and hit that like button if this review helped. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tool breakdowns that keep your builds running straight and true.